Alright, hello again. Welcome to part 2 of the Mickey Mouse tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on drawing the face of the Mickey Mouse. Okay, so let's get started. Let me just zoom into my drawing. Okay, in order to create a part of the face, we will need to have the ellipse tool. Create an oval. Select a color from the color palette. I will choose rosy pink. If you don't see this color, simply just click on the more option button here. You can see more colors. Okay. Now once we've done that, we will change the dimension of this oval to 25 by 35. Okay. And we will rotate it slightly to the right. But for this tutorial, I will require you to change it from the toolbar over here to 345 degrees. Right. And we'll move it slightly above here like this. Okay. Next, we will need to have a duplicate of the oval. So we will make use of the duplicate function in CorelDRAW by holding down the Control key and D together to have a duplicate. Okay, move it to the right. Okay, right now we will need to flip this particular oval to the left. So click on it and move up to the toolbar and click on mirror horizontally. Okay, you will notice that the gap over here and here is not the same. That means to say these two objects are not centralized to the middle of the Mickey Mouse head. Alright, so to do that accurately, we can make use of a feature in CorelDRAW. Alright, by dragging out a guideline from the vertical ruler, okay, and placing it to the middle of the Mickey Mouse head. Next, we will select both the ovals and drag it, and you will notice that it will help you snap onto the guideline. Okay, this way we'll be sure that these two objects will be in the middle. Okay, let me just adjust this a little bit to the left. Okay, there you go. Okay, next we'll create the cheeks for Mickey Mouse. Alright, by dragging another oval here like this. Fill it with the same color. Okay. And we'll change the dimension to 60 by 40. Drag it up and making sure that you overlap the bottom of the oval exactly to the bottom of the head. Right. Next, we will need to do some distortion of this oval. To do that, we will need to right click on the oval and choose convert to curves, or you can remember the shortcut key Control plus Q. Right. Next step is to choose the shape tool on the toolbox and drag this particular node down. Okay, here. Alright, you can further make changes to it by dragging this particular handle and moving it up here. Do the same thing to the right, moving up here. Okay, however, if you want to have more accuracy, okay, making sure that these two cheeks are of the same height, you can actually drag out another guide this time from the horizontal ruler and place it onto the graphic here. Okay, maybe if you want to take a closer look, you can actually zoom in further. Right, and when click on the shape tool, okay, and move this portion up onto the guide. move it back to my selection. Sorry. Okay. Next, we will need to cover up this gap, okay, by creating another oval. Apply the same color. Okay. Finally, we will need to create the chin of the Mickey Mouse. Right, so again, another oval is required. So select another one and fill it with the same color. I will change the dimension to 25 by 20. Alright, and I will move it up slightly. Okay, there you go. We are almost done. Final step is to select the whole object or the 5 objects and click on the well tool on the toolbar to combine everything into one object. There you go. You have completed drawing the face of Mickey Mouse. In the next tutorial, we are going to be focusing on the eyes, the nose, and so on. Okay, until next time, see you again.